Today we're excited to share our new feature, ArcLab SmartTransform. ArcLab SmartTransform employs artificial intelligence to assist you in creating training modules for your learners in a matter of minutes. Currently, we offer two AI-assisted module creation methods. 1. Upload an existing Microsoft PowerPoint training deck. 2. Generate using text prompt. It helps to free up valuable time spent developing training content. You may use our SmartTransform for your PowerPoint simply by uploading your existing Microsoft PowerPoint training deck into ArcLab. Let me show you how. First, click on New Project. Give your project a name. I'll name mine as ArcLab Malaysia. Next, click on the tab Upload Document File. Select your Microsoft PowerPoint training deck. Click on Open. In a matter of seconds, your Microsoft PowerPoint training deck is uploaded. If you would like to choose the fast free option, click on Express Project Creation, which is the green button at the bottom right. ArcLab SmartTransform AI will automatically create a module for you. Alternatively, you may wish to refine the project on your own before applying AI by clicking on Refine Uploaded Document, which is the white button with the blue text at the bottom. On this page, you have a choice of two tabs on the top, namely Screen Editor and Text Editor. On the Screen Editor page, a draft of the module content text is created on the right. Image files in the PowerPoint file are extracted into a media gallery at the bottom, which you can then add to specific screens as you desire. This shows up on the left side. You may use arrow next to the image screen to move from one screen to the next, or you may use the arrows below the image screen to move across 5 screens, or jump straight to the last screen, and vice versa. If you would like to refine the text from your PowerPoint file, you may click on the Text Editor tab, which is on the top. A draft of the module content is created, segmented by screens. You will also see a chatbot that states, "Use the power of ArcLab AI" at the bottom. Using AI, ArcLab converts your training slides into bite-sized, interactive Nano Learning modules that are engaging and effective for your learners. Once you're happy with the draft, click the green Create Project button on the bottom right of your screen. The AI engine will then get to work with the process, possibly taking up to a minute or two. We'll email you when this is done. You can then click into the link in your email to review the module and make any edits desired before publishing. Now allow me to walk you through the other features of SmartTransform. Similarly, click on New Project and name the project that you'd like to work on. For this project, I'll name it Training-Customer Service in Food Services. Next, click on Generate Using Text Prompt. Instruct ArcLab on the type of training module you want to create. Be as specific as you can with your prompt. I'll be instructing ArcLab in the text box below. Create a 10-screen module on customer service for food service workers in a cafe setting. Once you're ready, click on Create. The AI engine will then get to work with the process taking possibly up to a minute or two. We'll send you an email once complete, and you can then click into the module URL to review and edit as you desire. We just saved you at least 20 to 30 minutes of module creation time. Have fun exploring our new feature, and we'll see you for the next.